To the whole world. Again, it's Luandile here, you guys. As you probably have guessed that. Okay, let's see. This is the problem on hand, exercise number 2.2. I've got to write a program that outputs 100 lines numbered 1 to 100, each with your name on it. Okay, so the output should look like the output below. So it's gonna be 1 Luandile Kanyile, 2 Luandile Kanyile, 3 Luandile Kanyile, so on and so forth. Okay. Again, I'm gonna open idle. I'll create a file. I'll save it as exercise number 1. Oops, I'm done with chapter 1. I wanna go exercise 2.2. I'll then go A. Okay, so here's the game plan. I will have a variable called name. I'll assign my name on it. I will then have a for loop, index in range. I want to do this 100 times, so I'll do that, not 1000, 100. Okay, so basically the game plan is I want to print the current value of index. Remember, in this case, index will start from 0. It will go all the way through 99. So in order to have precisely what I want, I'm gonna have to display index plus 1. Okay, and then of course I need to concatenate that with my name, which is name in this case. Okay, with that out of the way, let me hit the run button and see what we get. So Luandile Kanyile as many as we wanted to. Okay, okay, as you can see, we've got Luandile Kanyile 100 times. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. Stay tuned for the next solution of the very same exercise. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.